Welcome back, Cat Babes. So today we're going to go ahead and do a quick and simple, easy, less than 3-minute messy bun. All you're going to need is one hair tie and a couple bobby pins to get this look. If you'd like to see how to achieve it, just keep watching. Welcome back, Cat Babes. So today we're going to go ahead and do a quick and easy, simple tutorial. Shouldn't take more than 5 minutes. So what you're going to want to do, go ahead and put your hair up like this, as if you're going to put it into a ponytail. Does not have to be perfect by any means. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and twist like this. Twist, twist, twist until you get it into like a top ballerina bun. Go ahead and do that. And taking one hair tie, go ahead and take it and put it around, and then go ahead and take some hair out to frame your face, and then go ahead and tug a little in certain areas. So in the big poofy one, rotate it so you get the prettier spot in the front, and then go ahead and take a few bobby pins, pin it down. If you want, you can make it as extra as you want it. It's really simple to maneuver this bun however you want, because it doesn't involve a lot. So go ahead and pull this part to the back and pin it down. Take another bobby pin in this part that's flapping, pin it down. Make sure it's how you want it. Tug a little bit in the front to give it a little bit more volume. And then make sure these hairs are where you like them. And then make sure the bobby pins stay, because my hair is a little bit thicker, so sometimes the bobby pins I use don't always stay. One more right there for good measure, because I don't want it to fall out. And then that is how I get my quick, simple, and easy messy bun. If you guys would like to see more simple tutorials like this, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, a like, and a comment below, and I'll catch you in my next one. Oh, and if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and it'll notify you every time I post.